In this tutorial, let me show you how I made this beautiful slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. I have already taken a blank slide. Go to design, go to format background, and I have to pick a background color. Go to solid fill and select this fill color. Let me zoom out. Go to insert, go to shape. I have to pick a rounded corner rectangle shape and drag it over here. Use this yellow point to make it more sharper. Go to shape outline, make it no outline, and use this point to rotate it and place it here. Increase the size and increase the size like this. Now let me press Ctrl D to make it duplicate. Go to shape fill, select another fill color, increase the size and place it here. Click on right button and send it to back and place it like this. Go to shape format, go to shape fill and select this fill color. Now let me select this one, press Ctrl D to make it duplicate. Go to shape fill, select another fill color, increase the size and place it here and click on right button, send to back, click on send to backward, and now let me increase the size. Then let me place it like this. Now let me go to insert, go to shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here and make sure it covers the whole slide. Go to shape outline, make it no outline, press Ctrl D to duplicate, place a copy, again Ctrl D to duplicate and place a copy here. Now let me select this one, send it to back. Now let me select this shape and this one, go to shape format, go to merge shape, click on fragment. Now let me delete this one and this area. Now again let me place this one over here, click on right button, send it to back, select this shape and this one, go to shape format, merge shape, click on fragment and delete this area and this area also. Now let me place it over here, click on right button, send it to back, select. Now let me select this shape and this shape, go to shape format, merge shape, click on fragment, delete this area and this one. Now this is looking perfect. Now let me select this shape, go to shape format, go to shape fill and select this fill color. Now go to insert, go to picture, go to this device. I have to insert a picture and place it here. Let me reduce the size, place it here, click on the picture, send to back, send to backward. Now let me select this shape and this one, go to shape format, go to merge shape, click on intersect and click on this, go to picture format, go to picture border, select white border. Now I have to add some text. Go to view, click on guides and place the guides here like this and this one also here. Click on right button, add a vertical line, this one 6.13 and place this one also like this. Click on this one, go to add horizontal line and place it like here. This one 3.33, this one also will be. Now let me zoom in, go to insert, go to shape, pick a text box, drag it over here, your logo here, change the font, bold it, change the font color. Let me increase the size, increase this font and place it here. Go to insert, go to shape, pick a rectangle shape, drag it over here, go to shape outline, no outline, shape fill, this fill color, right here our story, change the font size, go to insert, go to shape, pick a text box, drag it over here. Let me increase the spacing, place it here, make it white color and place it like this. Go to insert shape, pick a rounded corner rectangle shape, drag it over here, go to shape outline, no outline, shape fill, select this fill color, increase the size, go to insert shape, pick a text box right here, speaker name, change the font, place it over here like this. Go to insert shape, pick an oval shape, hold down the shift key, drag it like this, shape outline, no outline, shape fill, white fill color, press Ctrl D to duplicate, zoom it, select this 4, press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it here. Select this, press Ctrl G to group them together. Hold down the shift key, reduce the size and place it like this. Go to insert, shape, pick a text box right here, company. Change the font spacing, change the font size. Go to shape format, text fill, make it no fill, text outline. Select this outline color, select this one and place it here and place it like this. Go to insert, shape, right here, plan, and add this icon. Click on insert, place it here, reduce the size. Let me increase this text a bit, then place it here. Graphics outline and select graphics fill and select this fill color, place it here like this. Go to insert, go to shape, pick a text box, drag it like this. Right here, strategic planning, change the font, bold it, italic, make it italic, increase the font size, color, make it white color and place it here. Go to insert, go to shape, pick a line shape, hold down the shift key and drag it like this. Shape outline wide, make it 3 point, shape fill and make it this fill color. Select this one, press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it here. Now here I have to add some text. Here I have added some text, make it justified and place it here. Now you may change the color if you want. Now let me watch the slideshow. And here you will find it perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.